Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. So my mom has like $15 worth of credit each month to order, I guess, a medical supply or aspirin, vitamins, or any other ornaments. So I'm not sure what she ordered. So let's go ahead and try to unbox this. Wow, so much stuff in here. So this is 70% alcohol, rubbing alcohol. Got this eye drop, original formula. So yeah, be sure it is sealed when you open this, so nobody tamper with it. And you got this icy hot pain pain relieving cream. Icy and hot therapy for pain, arthritis, bursitis, body ache, back ache, leg cramp, sore muscle. Hey, this is the one that Chanel Keo advertised with. It's extra strength. So this is a 3-ounce tube. And this is a clotrimazole cream, antifungal. And this is a one ounce tube. Cures most athletic foot, relieve itching and burning, greaseless, non-staining. Greaseless. Wow. So I gotta add this Epsom salt, saline laxative. So this is a 16-ounce bag, or 1 pound, 454 grams. Expire January of 2022. And got this adhesive bandage. Check this one out, might be a flexible kind, let's see. Let me just take one now, let's see. So yeah, this is a flexible kind. And this is a 1 inch by 3 inch long, 100 pack. And you got this Bosch and Lomb Alaway. It's up to 12 hours eye itch relief. It's a pretty small bottle. .34 ounce. There's an expiration date. February of 2021. So be sure it is sealed, okay? And then that's it. The rest of them is just paper. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys like this unboxing. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.